All right, Mr. Harris here again. One last video. This video is going to talk about our sketch. The things that need to be included. I'm going to give you an example that I drew up. It's not really the most plausible device to be built, but it gets the point across. So, a couple things here. The sketch must-haves, things you have to have in your sketch. Number one, you need a title. Okay. Just should be like mine says, blue light sauna. Okay. Number two, you need to tell me your design path that you chose and the budget. Okay. So in my case, I chose commercial, and the budget's $15,000. Okay. You obviously have to have a sketch of the light machine and the light arrangement inside or on the machine. Dimensions need to be included with labels and extension lines. All right. Important. All right, so here's where the little bit of writing comes in. You should have an explanation of the lights, kind of how they work. But the big thing is, this is the really important thing, you need to tell me in your sketch the distance that these lights are supposed to be used at. So is it 4 inches away, 10 inches away, 2 inches away, and the time that you need to be in this device or using this device, okay? You also have to have a budget breakdown of what you've actually made and a description or synopsis of the machine. Okay, so here's an example of my sketch. I just want to go through with you. So I have my title. I have my design path, commercial, my budget here. Here is my device. I have dimensions with labels and extension lines. Here's my light panel configuration. I actually have 80 lights here. Again, I have dimensions and extension lines. I see how many lights are per panel. Down here, I'm explaining my light panel and how it works. So 3 panels in the sauna, they're movable. There's 5 lights on the ceiling. They need to be 6 to 8 inches from the body for 14 to 15 minutes, and the light height is adjustable. I then gave in the description, a wooden framed and sided 4x4 by 8-foot sauna light box. 3 panels on the inside are adjustable to comfortably surround people of different sizes. 80 lights are on each wall panel with 5 lights in the ceiling, 14 to 15 minute time frame. Then I broke down my budget. I have my blue lights, and in my calculation I found I needed 255 lights. They were at $25 a piece, so it was $6,375. I went on the medically approved Home Depot website, found that panel tracking, or metal tracking, I could get 6 of them for $194, which ends up being $1,164. I then bought a glass door, I got some wood paneling, and some 2x4s, and I found out my total was $10,837. So all this stuff needs to be included in your sketch. Your sketch then be brought up to me so I can check it off. Once it's checked off, you can then jump on Tinkercad and start designing this on Tinkercad. I will show you guys how to easily make 80 lights so you're not individually placing each light as well. If you have questions, come see me.